So again, good afternoon to all my friend. My name is Abhishek Dikshit, and how you all? I hope you all are fine. I am also good because now Raksha Bandhan is running. It is a very good festival. Somewhere after 3 days, I make this video because I also busy in celebrating in Raksha Bandhan because it is a very previous festival. Somewhere all Hindus they follow and they celebrate this festival. So what we are going to learn in this video because in my every video we learn something new, and because when we discuss in any new topic, then we also get getting in some information related in that topic. That's why I just discuss in every day in my every any video you watch. I always discuss in different topic. So what we are going to learn in this video? In this video, I am going to discuss what English want. English को क्या चाहिए कि what English want, what is कि मतलब how much struggle we have to do to speak and make perfect in speaking. So So before starting today's section, how was your practice is running? Just share with me. Do practice every day. If you are not doing practice and if you are just watching this video, then you can't get benefit. If you are not doing anything to achieving your goal, if you really have a need in speaking, then you have to do a struggle and you have to invest time. Not you have to invest money, but you have to invest time. Okay, because if you are English, we know English. What is English? English is it is a language, and Hindi it is also language. So what English want? English didn't want your money. English wants your time. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what English want. First, what English want? English want your dedication. Okay, what English want? English wants your dedication. English wants your time. English don't want your money, but you have to give time. Where in while listening, while reading, while practicing, so you have to give time. If you are not doing practice, then you can't achieve anything. If you are not listening, then you can't become a good listener. Then you become a good speaker. If you are not good, if you are not a good listener, then you never become a good speaker. So always try to speak more and try to listen more and more. Listen those are good in English. Those are perfect in English. Just put in earphone in your ear, then and just listen while eating, while if you are what you are doing, but try to listen more and more. Okay, so English didn't want your money. English wants your time while practicing, while um, while reading, while writing, and while speaking. English wants your dedication. मतलब how you dedicate in English, how much dedicate you are in English, because you don't have passion to learn English, then how you learn? You can't learn, then you can't learn. So give time towards in English. If you are not giving time, then you can't learn and you can't become a good speaker. So what we learn in this video? In this video, I am just share with you what English wants. English wants your time. Do too much time in English. If you are preparing in any competitive exam, then at least give 1 hours in a day. While eating, while making food, you can put earphone and listen more and more. And I also make one video. In that video, I discuss with whom we have to talk. If you don't have any friend, if you don't have any relative, if you don't have any teacher with whom you talk in English, then just stand in front of the mirror and talk more and more and start thinking in English. What you are thinking in English, try to convert in English. Try to think in English. Just now learn how to make sentence in Hindi, how to translate sentence in Hindi to English. In any sentence you think in English, then try to translate in English. Because if you are not translate, then how you learn? While watching a story is a good platform where you improve your English. So just watch stories in English. Watch English cartoon, because in English cartoon somewhere they using a good language and they using a good also grammar. So you just learn how to use AMR in a lots of things in grammar, how to what is the need English मतलब sentence बनाना तो उसमें क्या जरूरत है. You all somewhere while watching a cartoon, while watching a stories, learn many, you learn many things. So now we discuss enough, and thanks to all watching this video. If you are new in this channel, then please subscribe this channel and love towards in this channel. Do love towards in this channel. So thanks to all. Thank you.